Hello and welcome back to Strategic Investor Radio, where we're broadcasting today at the Global Capital Network's West Coast Wall Street Awards banquet here in Newport Beach. I'm Charlie Wright, and we're talking with George Roth, whose company is one of the presenters here at the conference. He is chairman of the board of U.S. operations at RxMM Health, an Australian company. And again, he works with the U.S. operations. So, George, welcome to the conference.
Thank you, Charlie.
So, George, you guys are involved in some different activities. Let's focus on what you guys are presenting here today about Clerisy Corporation. Clerisy gave just a very interesting presentation on a nose clip as an alternative way for patients to take medication. Tell us about what you guys are telling the investors here at this conference.
Well, Clerisy was founded about 12 years ago by Mary Maida, Dr. Mary Maida, and her husband, Dr. Felton, and both of them are world-renowned neurologists. The thing that they had discovered in the research was that one of the fastest ways to deliver medications to the brain was through the nose. And the Clerisy Corporation has developed over the past 12 years a nose clip that actually, a device that contains the medication in a small pad that has an aluminum wire as a rib, or backbone I should say, in the pad itself, that when you take it out of the package, you can bend it and it forms a U shape which clips to the underside of the nose between your nostrils. And when it does that and the wrapper is removed, it releases the medication to the olfactory nerves, which are connected directly to your brain, just like your eye is connected directly to your brain. So in a matter of milliseconds or less, or nanoseconds, the medication is delivered to the brain to produce a result in the brain that would treat the symptoms of nausea or sleeplessness or weight loss and a variety of other things. The substances that can be infused in the brains are a wide range, anywhere from essential oils for the treatment of different indications, all the way to CBD and marijuana type of applications.
You know, that's interesting. I, for many years, have taken a particular medication that can be hard on the stomach. So I would think that kind of medication would be especially apropos and helpful through this other alternative method of ingesting.
Yeah, I agree with you completely, Charlie. We have the view that we can avoid a lot of the complications of injectables or digestibles in treating medications, and I'm sure every one of us had a member of the family, or if not ourselves, that had trouble with medications and that sort of thing. With this particular type of delivery approach, this delivery device, which has been patented and also FDA approved, we feel that we are the leader in the market because we are, the only one in the market with this kind of a delivery device. And this delivery device has been proven most effective and the fastest and surest way to deliver the necessary medications to relieve the symptoms of nausea and a number of other things.
So you're here, George, as a capital raise activity. Tell us about the nature of the capital raise you're doing.
Capital raise we're doing right now to promote the company. We already have $2 million invested in the company. We're trying to raise another $5 million to carry it to market right now. We're ready to go to market this year through HSN or QVC, and also a distribution for shelf space in all the other major pharmacies. And what we're looking for right now is, in a $5 million raise, is a convertible debenture, 6% coupon, and a minimum buy-in is for $50,000. So we expect to have this sold out very shortly. We have had a lot of success in fundraising in RxMM for our other divisions, which include cannabis and also hemp, and our product divisions are one of Clerisy is one of our many product divisions that we are also capitalizing.
So, George, a personal question here. You come out of Carnegie Mellon here, and you've got an engineering background and a business background. You have started over 100 companies and have been involved in many others that never got to the startup phase here. So you could be doing any number of things, and like me, you're a young guy. Okay, so why are you doing this with Clerisy?
Clerisy has fascinated me in particular as being one of the companies that under the RxMM umbrella that we expected to be able to produce tremendous breakthroughs. And this is a breakthrough in delivering modern medicine as far as we're concerned. And couple that with the possibility of infusing this strip with CBD oils in addition to essential oils and other medications. We see this as being in conjunct with all of our other activities in RxMM. We also believe that this is going to be the device in the future that is the easiest one to deliver modern medicines, whatever we come up with and whatever other medicines are out there. It might be interesting to note in a presentation that Mary Maida presented. She's the developer of this, and Dr. Mary Maida and her husband, Dr. Felton. The problem with that the major drug companies are having right now is that most of their patents are going to expire soon. Now, they can renew their patents if they couple them with a delivery device, a novel delivery device. And our novel delivery device, which is the only one of its kind, would be certainly a candidate for them to renew their patents and extend their life and be able to continue to charge more for their medicines.
You know, I heard that from her presentation, and I had to think that this room full of investors that had to have a significant impact. Because it's an additional, well, I don't need to sell you on it here. It's an additional, incentive for people to participate here. So for those who would like to know more, is there a website, or how can they get more information?
You can get more information from clerisycorp.com.
Spell Clerisy for us.
CLERISY corp.com.
Okay, thank you very much. Well, George, thank you for taking time out from the conference to join us, and our best wishes to you and Clerisy and RxMM Health in your continued success here.
Thank you very much, and it's been my pleasure.
Again, we've been talking with George Roth, who is chairman of American Operations at RxMM Health, and you've been listening to Strategic Investor Radio, broadcasting here from the Global Capital Network's West Coast Wall Street Awards Banquet in Newport Beach, and we'll be right back.